Jolly Belly, kedukaan ka bapila ban yolun iki jingdon kam ki baman na kasni ki jongpi, badi ki marba mardi hagador ka baduna. Laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai, badi ki jaj do ba pher, ya ki balawan ra na keleng ka rilom khasi. Kat ba pinang thi di ki jingdon kam ki jongpi, pilaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi, haka jakai le kai ka balabu kerpang na ka banta jongki. One room shaga dukan Jolly Belly, but me da ka jinkmen. Ya ki jingtep ki bakham nya laban yo da ka bapon hau number nyo not san nriu pra san nyo but kndai pra nriu lai not lai nriu. The Hnyotrep Youth Council HYC Ranikor Circle and HYC Ranikor Area Unit, under the leadership of the organization's president Kermen K. Rija, had inspected the public health center in the area. During the event, it was found that the building was in a dilapidated condition and the center was without any medical staff. Speaking to reporters, the president of the HYC Ranikor Circle, Kermen K. Rija, informed that the position of medical practitioner was still lying vacant, while the dentist, who is supposed to be stationed at the PHC, has not been regular in attending duties to the patients at the center. The HYC president also informed that patients have not been given due treatment at the center, where apart from the absence of a pharmacist to take care of the medicines, most of which have crossed the expiry period, there was also the absence of a driver for the ambulance that has been dedicated to the particular PHC in Ranikor.
Ngilap sibun ki jaka ki balapay da ki chiliw ki jingkhang ro kumjo nang tawat ki diki payaro lani ki yeng ro ngilap sibun ba kim long syo ladangi pej wat ni kita tang da kitiro ngilala bantrot kadiaka de bilap namar kata ngikentu ya ka sorkar ba siobha phailem lani pejlem ya kanika CSC hapo jong kanika Ranikor khnang ba Ipay ba kinyo e kajing mentoy na kanika CSC amar kumbalong menta lawan ong ba kalong kajing dunong leng ba kajing don jong kanika CSC hang ne po Ranikor namar om sem lala ban penbiang da kanika sorkar